Alright, this video is going to be for Dorian mode. Now, for the sake of an exam, there are actually several different ways you can teach this. Okay? There's several different ways of doing it, and there's several different ways of thinking about it. I'm going to just go with the one that I think is probably easiest to remember for the exam. Okay? And then I'll have to choose a key to do it in. Let's say we're going to do G Dorian mode. Okay, so G Dorian mode. One way of, so you can compare this to a major scale, you can compare it to a minor scale. It's actually closest to the minor scale. I notice in your book that it's comparing it to a major scale, but I'm going to go with the minor. So let's just write a G minor scale. So step one previously was always key signature. Alright, but this time we're going to use accidentals. So really, I think step one should be writing the notes. Making sure you do 8, making sure you don't skip any lines or spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get in the habit of counting them. You just don't want to make that silly mistake of not doing enough notes or skipping a spot. Make sure you're starting on G and you're finishing on G. Number them. Again, it can save you from making silly mistakes or miscounting something later. Alright? Now, so step one, write 8 notes. Step two, I've robbed myself of some space here, so I'm going to put step 2 over here. Step 2, find, I'll put find rather than write, find minor key sig. Alright, so this involves a circle of fifths. So if we do our circle, notch at the top, the bottom, side, side, 2 in between each. Now we're going to find G minor. Minor's in the middle, A minor is there. Fish can't get drunk after eating bait. Sharps go this way, flats go this way. A is there, I want to find G, so A, D, G. D, G. Straight away I can see that it's going to be 1, 2 flats. And those flats are going to be B and E. So we've got B and E flats. Okay. You could write the key signature up first for this, but I think it's safer not to. So what we need to do is work out where those flats are going to sit. Easiest way is to name the notes underneath them. So we know G is here and G is here. So just using your musical alphabet, G, after G comes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright? And just double check that you don't go backwards with your alphabet. I have seen it done, and it messes everything up. Don't do that. But you'll notice here, B, the note B is sitting on B. That's definitely a B in the treble. We have a B flat in our key signature, so a B flat needs to go there, or the accidental needs to go there. For E, we put a flat on our E. Alright? So far we've got G minor. Just G minor. Step 1 was write the 8 notes. Step 2, find your minor key signature. You could add to that and write accidentals. Alright, step 3, a bit like the other ones, step 3 is the thing that defines this scale. What we need to do is raise the 6th. So, raise 6th. And I think this is the best way to do it because it's very, very easy to remember. Because you know harmonic minor raises the 7th, and all you have to remember now is that Dorian raises the 6th instead. So it's a minor scale, a natural minor scale, raising the 6th. So on 6, if we have a look at what we have a flat currently. What we need to do is take that flat out. So because you've written it in pencil on your exam, you can grab your eraser and you can rub out that flat there, and that's all you have to do. Job done. So very, very similar to your minor scale and your harmonic minor scale. Just one note different.